Did you know you can create your own QR code in less than a minute right from your phone, and it's completely free? Let me show you how. First, open your browser and search for free QR code generator. You'll see plenty of options, but sites like qr-code-generator.com or gawker.me work perfectly. Now, type in what you want your QR code to do. It could be a website link, your Instagram profile, Wi-Fi details, or even plain text. Once you enter the info, simply tap Generate. In just seconds, your unique QR code appears on screen. You can download it as an image, share it instantly, or even print it out for menus, flyers, or business cards. And here's the best part: anyone can scan it with their camera. No extra app needed. So the next time you want to share something quickly and professionally, remember this hack: make a free QR code on your phone in under a minute. It's simple, fast, and super useful. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.